Hey there! Have you ever wondered what's the furthest object ever to leave our planet? Yes, we did send something back then out to the vast universe. It's a Voyager 1. It was launched in 1977 and since then, it is still operational. It is powered by nuclear batteries. Geez, I wish I am powered by one of those. Till these days, it has traveled 15 billion miles out into space and it still sends signals to Earth. Traveling at 38,000 miles per hour, Voyager 1 looks like a big space robot with a giant round ear to talk to the Earth. There's a long stick sticking out for its tools and a box where its brain lives. It's not very shiny, but it's very smart and brave for traveling that far. It's been sending pictures back to Earth. Voyager 1 has taken photos of Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. On the side, it carries a golden-shaped object called the Golden Records. The Golden Records is like a giant space storybook. It has a sound like animal and rain, music from different countries, and pictures of people, animals, and places on Earth.
Shalom.
It's Voyager's one way of saying, "Hello, this is Earth," in many languages.
Hola y saludos a
If it
todos.
gets discovered, someone out there can know our existence.
Selamat malam hadirin sekalian. Selamat berpisah dan sampai bertemu lagi di lain waktu.
Until now, Voyager 1 has already left our solar system and sliding to the vast space and sending back valuable information to Earth. And that wraps up the bite-sized information for today. See you next time. Bye!